So we just pulled up to Tex World NYC, and in this video, we're gonna break down all things accessories. So we're gonna give you guys free plugs to how to make your own rugs, how to make your own towels. Versace guy, that's my boy. So we're gonna break it down in this video. All y'all gotta do, grab a bag of popcorn and go get a note and pen, because you're gonna wanna learn all this free game. What's your name, bro?
My name is Virag.
Virag. Eric, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
You're a good-looking guy.
I'm a handsome guy.
Handsome guy. What do you guys sell? Towels?
This is a towels, yes. I'm from India and my company is in Mumbai. I'm a manufacturer of towel.
How much is this? This like Versace-looking towel?
$3.5.
FOB or delivered?
FOB. FOB Mumbai, India.
Yeah, so guys, you can make literally like your own custom towel. That's crazy.
We can make any kind of custom towels. Even I can make his face. So that's like, it's kind of the technology to do it nowadays. It's a jacquard.
What is jacquard? Can you break down that process for us?
Jacquard means this is a kind of shuttleless looms, which has been hooks, and on that hooks, the designs we have to input.
So like this right here, the yellow. This is the hook. This is the loop.
Yeah.
And then this is a loop in the black.
So the hooks ups and downs, it goes and as per the design, it fits into the towel. For example, if you see the back side, here is yellow, here is black.
Oh shit, it's reversible. Reversible Versace towel for $3.50. My boy from Mumbai, killing it. Killing it. Do you have a card if they wanted to find you? Or if ladies wanted to buy you a drink?
It is really very thankful, but I don't drink.
They already love you, man. You killed them. You killed them.
Please call me for the business. Don't call me for
Don't call them for the drinks. Call them for the business.
Yeah, for the business. Yes, of course. We have come for the business.
So I see you guys got these collegiate socks right here, right?
Yes.
How do you go about getting the licenses for that? Is that your client got it?
For the license problem, we never met this problem because our customer can just cover it and we can only offer their products. It's okay. Yes.
So how much is this sock right here?
For this style, the price will be around 70 cents per pair.
70 cents.
Yes.
That's FOB or DDP?
FOB.
FOB. And then what about after like taxes and shipping and all that? How much do you think?
Double. Yeah.
$1.40.
Yes.
What are the minimums for per color, per style?
It's around 1,000 pairs per style, per size.
Oh, okay. And for
Yes.
this, the sizing is what? Small, medium, large?
Medium.
And what about these like fuzzy ones? I feel like these are really good for the wintertime. What are the MOQs for these?
Same.
And how much is this?
Same price.
So this is a client came and has the licenses and they produced all the socks for you.
Yes.
What about these soccer ones? How much are these?
Price will be 90 cents per pair.
Because it's longer and it's more durable.
And the material is also different. Usually for soccer, we use nylon and you can have the more elastic.
How much of your business is like licensed business? A lot of the clients, they bring licensed stuff?
Maybe 50%. And also we do many licensed kids socks. For example, Disney, Cars, Marvel, or Minecraft.
So guys, if you don't know what's going on, essentially a sales rep or somebody who has the license to these colleges is finding this factory, and then they're able to use that license, leverage that license, and get this sock for $1.50 and sell them for $20, $30. You know, they probably wholesale them at $10. So the one thing you got to think about too is IP. Sometimes it's not about creating something new and revolutionary. You can just go get existing IP, right? Buy the license, and then you can just apply it to this sock and start selling the socks. It's very interesting. What about these right here, the ankle socks? How much are the ankle socks?
30 cents. And also we have the 360-degree printing socks. 100 pairs is okay.
And how much is these?
$1.
$1.
Yeah.
These are sublimation, right?
Yes.
And then what is this? What type of sock is this?
Jacquard.
Jacquard.
Yeah.
So sublimation is cheaper than jacquard.
No, this one is expensive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's the easier process, sublimation or jacquard?
Jacquard is easier for us.
But the minimums are higher for this.
Yeah, because for the printing socks, we can only just make the white solid socks, and then we just print it, so we can have small MOQ. Yeah.
So with this, guys, essentially it's sublimation, and what they're doing is they're mass producing a bunch of white polyester socks, and then they're sublimating. If you're not familiar with sublimating, it's a very similar process to heat transfer, and they're sublimating onto the socks. So that's why the minimums are a lot lower. On this one right here, this is jacquard, so they have to individually sew like the designs down, so that's why the minimums are a lot higher. If they wanted to find you, do you have a card? All right, guys, if you guys need socks, tap in. You know we stay giving y'all free game. What do you guys sell? You guys sell rugs?
Rug, bath mat, cushion cover, handbag, baskets, lot of item we are doing.
I really like these rugs. You like mushrooms too?
Mushroom, yes.
Mushroom rug. How much would this be and what's the minimums?
300 pieces, $3. One piece, $3.
That's $900 for 3 of them. But your minimum is 10,000.
Yes, but you can add anything. Handbag,
Ah.
bath mat, cushion cover, shower curtain. You can add anything.
And what would you say on average, like something like this? How much would this be? Same price? Similar?
Approximately same.
What about if on the backing, if I wanted it a little bit harder? You know how it's a little flimsy?
This is cases that you can use TPR backing.
So what if I want a TPR back? How much?
60 cents per piece.
60 cents more. So like $3.50, $4. And that's FOB price.
Yes.
A lot of Americans, they
Yes.
make their custom rugs. They should just make designs and make it from here and sell it. It'd be easier.
I think labor are too costly in the USA.
Yeah, that's why they should make it. That's why they should order their own custom rugs from you,
Yes.
and they should just focus on selling it and not making it.
Yes, definitely.
You have a contact info if they wanted to find you? Can I call you the rug doctor? What's your name?
Ashwani Jain. Yeah.
Ashwani, the rug doctor. Is that okay?
As you say.
$3.50 custom rugs. Tap in.
So what does your factory specialize in?
Polyester and acrylic.
I see these robes here. Do you guys sell a lot of these?
Yeah, we do. Those are part of our best sellers for quite a while.
What's the minimum order quantity if somebody wanted to create their own custom robe?
So the minimum quantity is 500.
And what would the price point be at around 500 units?
The price is around like $20.
If I up the quantity, let's say I want to do 2,000 units, does that price go down?
Definitely, yeah. The price is definitely going down, and it's gonna be like $1 shorter.
Is there any way if somebody was just starting a brand, right? They just got into this space, they had a really good idea. Would you be able to support them with a lower minimum but a higher price?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we're gonna support like entrepreneurs or small business.
And what would the lead time look like for a bulk order of 500?
It really depends on the shipping. If we do like air, for example, or we can do it overseas, right? It's gonna be around like 1 to 2 months, including like productions and all the shipping.
Pretty fast. If somebody wanted to customize their own robe, could they do any artwork, multiple colors, or is there a limit?
There's no limit. We can do whatever they want. So we just want to satisfy our clients with our specialties.
What material is the robes made out of?
100% macro polyester.
If somebody's watching this video and they want to find your factory, how could they find you guys? Do you have a business card?
So this is our business card. Send us an email if you're interested.
What do you guys sell here?
Hand woven pillows and all sorts of home textile products like blankets, throws, scatter rugs.
And these pillows, do you guys do custom or is it like your own designs?
These are our own designs, but we also do custom designs.
What do you think about the Hermes pillow selling for like $1,500? My wife wanted one, right? How do you feel about that?
We don't like that stuff. Honestly, we are more into handmade, hand woven, handcrafted things. So these are like all made on traditional handlooms in India and by the weavers who have been practicing the craft since decades or ages. So we are into more of this kind of.
Handmade stuff.
Yeah.
What makes a good pillow?
It has to have a design element, the color has to be in place, the structure has to be in place, and it should not be loud to your room. It should blend in your room.
Not too loud, not too loud.
Yeah.
What if I'm a loud guy?
Again, the loud pillow should blend into your loud room.
Oh,
Right?
that's good philosophy.
Yeah.
What is the price on something like this and what is the MLQs?
Around 500 pieces
500
each design, and the price would be $6 to $7.
That's
or-
FOB?
Yeah.
Would you do like a lower minimum if I wanted 300?
Yeah, we can do that.
And how much would it be for 300? This is the numbers guy.
7.2.
7.2,
Yeah.
so around $7. The one thing I do like about pillows is like, again, everyone's selling a shirt, everyone's selling a hoodie. Making your own custom pillows is crazy. And they got pillows for not loud people, but there's a market for loud people. 300 pieces, that's pretty good. Do you guys private label any of your stuff to like major
Yes.
retailers?
Yes.
We can't have that information. The Fed's gonna come after us. He's gonna get in trouble.
No, I don't give this information to you.
Yeah. See, this is the suit. You guys have a card that they can find you guys? This could sit at a shelf at Target right now or at Home Goods, right? Sometimes if you come to these places, you don't even gotta make the product. You can just help market it and distribute it and help become a distributor. Like if they're private labeling this for major retailers, you could be the retailer. And then that's like if you're into home design, if you're an interior designer, if you're an architect, whatever. If you're just into like aura and vibes for your home, come to trade shows like this. What do you sell here?
We sell blankets, bedding sheets, comforters, pillowcases.
Who is the customers that's buying this at wholesale? Because essentially it's wholesale, right?
Wholesale to the Amazon account, and we are selling them to very big buyer in the Amazon, and we are selling on the TikTok too.
So somebody that sells on Amazon is buying it from you and then they're reselling it on Amazon.
Yeah, that's right.
Usually where are those companies located?
Basically 50% in the Fifth Avenue and 50% in the Los Angeles.
How much is something like this?
It's about like $10. This is
FOB?
FOB.
How much does it sell on Amazon for?
Oh, that's gonna be like triple price.
So what's triple, like 30?
Yeah, 36, 37,
What's the MOQ on this?
1,000 pieces.
That's FOB price, right?
Yes, that's FOB price.
So how much would it be 1,000 DDP?
Gonna cost like plus maybe $1.5.
So how much would the DDP price be?
About $12.
$12. So essentially it's a $12,000 flip, right? And let's say it's 1,000 units and he says you can sell them for 30 bucks each. You're looking at, you know, $360,000 gross. Not bad. Whenever you guys sell shirts, there's a small, there's a medium, there's a large, there's an extra large, right? There's sizes to every SKU. This is like, yo, it's a fucking blanket. It's one blanket. Everybody needs a blanket. You know what I'm saying? There's no small blanket. It's just like, bro, it's just a blanket. It's gonna work for you. How much is something like this?
Oh my god, that's going crazy. This is fabric's very expensive, so it's gonna cost like about like 20 bucks.
20 bucks for all of this?
For all of this.
That's so expensive and 20 bucks.
Yes, it has to be, including the comforter, sheets, pillows, everything.
And what's the minimums on this?
5,000.
Do you have a card if they want to reach you? Braylon.
Yeah, brilliant.
Braylon Dong. Tap in. What do you guys sell here?
The cushions and the curtains and the straws.
For curtains, right? How much is something like this?
$2.50.
How many pieces? MOQ?
1,000 per color.
1,000 per color.
Yeah.
And who's buying this? Like other retail, like home decor stores, or who buys this? How'd you get into
Through the importers.
importers? So like an agent.
Yeah, agent.
And he came here to the trade show?
Yeah.
What are your other products that you guys sell a lot to those major distributors?
Cushions,
Cushions? How much is this?
$1.90.
And you guys do custom or this is private label for somebody?
This is our own labels, our own brand.
Do you do customs too? If I wanted to customize a pillow, you could customize it?
Yes, of course.
The one thing that I do want you guys to think about is, again, when you come to places like this, you don't got to reinvent the wheel. Literally, she just told us it's a middleman, it's an agent that's connecting this factory to and then they're taking a percentage. So you don't got to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes you can make money selling pillows, cushions. You could sell the too, get the extra dollar, whatever. Do you have a card if they wanted to find you? Shine home. What do you guys sell here?
We bring the mattress cover, and also we're selling some of the pillows.
So this mattress, right? This is obviously not like what you said, it's just a sample.
Yes, this is like usually mattress is white, but we have different color of a mattress and also different function. This could be cooling, antibacterial, could be moisture wicking, different kind of stuff.
What is the MOQ on something like this?
For this one, around 500.
500.
Yes.
How much is like a queen size bed?
300 to maybe 800.
$300 to $800 for
Yes, for
one
to deliver to your home.
How much is the MOQ? 300 times
500.
Wow, this is only big money can play in this space.
Yeah, could be, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have big money. $150,000 on mattresses. And then what do you think they could sell these for? If they import it for 300, what would the selling price be here?
I think it will be double or triple. Depends on what kind of brand you are selling through different distributor. It can be on Amazon or on local market.
The one thing when you come to these trade shows, everyone's just trying to make a fucking t-shirt. Bro, that guy, Casper, Nest, all these companies where they have like the air mattresses where they just pack it up and ship it to you and it's direct to consumer, starts here. $300. I think they're selling for 1,000 plus shipping. So the minimum is 150,000, right? Divided by, let's say 300. 500 pieces, let's say you make 600 each one. That's profit. You gotta come places like this. Do you have a card if they wanted to find you? Hey, last question. How many mattresses do I have to sell to afford a watch like this? Show them the watch, show them the watch. What kind of watch is this?
Erotics.
I know, which one?
Oyster, right? I think.
Oyster.
Yeah.
So how many mattresses you got to sell to get a watch like that?
I need to spend like several years in this industry. Yeah.
Okay. No stay giving y'all free game.